Now, so now in the second video we are coming to the product rule. I will give it with example. So now, if y is equal to u and into v, akana, this so u is equal to akana is your first function, and v is equal to your second function. So differentiating akana, because this is both sides with respect to x value, to dy dx of y is equal to देखो first function into dy dx of second function and plus this is the product. So now second function and dy dx of akana, because this is the first function. Am I right? So now this is dy by dx is equal to u into dy dx of v. Is it clear? Now plus the second function or into dy dx of akana u. This is the. So this is the product rule. So देखिए कभी कभी क्या होता है, I am taking an example. देखिए so now one question I am taking from here. So now this is cos x cube or into, now this is the sin square x की power 5. तो अगर मैं इसको कर दूँ differentiating the following, एक क्वेश्चन आपका ना, एक क्वेश्चन आपका तो ना तो this. So when you do the solution आपका ना, so now this is, so let you do y is equal to cos x cube or into देखो आपका sin square x की power 5. So now say this is u is equal to our first function and that is your cos x cube. Is that clear? Fine. And then v is equal to, now this is the second function or e is equal to sin square x power 5. Sure sir. So now this is applying product rule. So now this, so differentiating now because this the, so both sides with respect to x. अब देखिएगा now dy by dx of y, जिसका आप dy by dx कहते हैं, equal to first function. Now first function is cos x cube into dy by dx of sin square x की power 5. देखिए आपको ना, is that clear? Plus the second function sin square x की power 5. This is and this dy by dx of now cos cube, cos x cube है सर, not cos cube, cos x cube है सर. अभी भी देखिएगा आपका नाम देखो this, अभी ये देखिए dy by dx equal to, this is okay, no problem. But see d by dx of sin square x की power 5. Then square will be removed. Then d by dx of sin x की power 5. Then sin is removed. Now d by dx of x की power 5. So this is by chain rule.
This one is of only first part.
Yeah, first part. Then you are coming to the next one, that is sin square x की power 5. ये देखिए. Now अब देखिएगा आपका ना d by dx of now cos of x cube. Then you have to remove this. So now d by dx of x cube. वैसे तो remove this power. Then आपका so this is also by chain rule. ऐसा clear? अब यहाँ से देखिए आपका dy by dx you can directly write जो देखो x cos x cube. Now this is formula you have to use here between. Now d by dx of x की power n is equal to n x की power n minus 1. So this power will come ahead. So now this, so 2 sin आपका देखो
x की
power आपका देखो 5.
Yes.
Then this one is, so now into d by dx of, now d by dx of, now what is that? Sin x. So sin x is what beta? Cos x.
Cos x.
Is it clear? So this is x. So now the
Cos x की power
x
5.
की power 5. Am I right? By the same formula this one will be. अपना
5
into
x
5
to power
x
4.
की power 4.
Hmm.
Sure बेटा, clear? So now then plus sin square x की power अपना 5 अपना देखो ना into cos. So now d by dx of अपना cos x equal minus sin x. So now this will be between minus sin अपना x की power 3 and this is a 3.
3x square.
Okay?
Hmm.
So now so d by dx equal to cos x cube into this is so this is 2 sin x की पावर 5 into cos x की पावर 5. लेकिन देखो इससे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, इसको शुरुआत में आपका दिस नंबर विल कम हियर, देखो 5x की पावर 4 इसको पहले लिख दीजिएगा, देन आपका देखो cos x की पावर. Sure? Is it clear? So now this plus minus is minus. So this minus 3x square you have written formally. So now देखो into sin आपका देखो x cube और into आपका now sin square x की पावर 5. Okay? So now this is sin. So now dy by dx equal to आपका now what you can take common. This is x square ये तो आपका कॉमन आ गया, देखिए आपका एक तो कॉमन आ गया, देन आपका देखो ये sin x की पावर 5 है, आ सकता कॉमन.
हाँ स्क्वायर sin x की पावर 5 था.
Are you sure?
sin x की पावर, बट वो sin square x की पावर 5 है. हाँ sin x की पावर 5 के निकम कौन.
This is sin x की पावर 4 स्क्वायर है, नहीं आ सकता.
अच्छा ऐसा.
यहाँ ये तो आपका देखना है अपन, तो 5x की पावर 2. now देखो this is the cos x cube. now this is ये भी है ना, 2 भी है. now 2 5 this is the 10 हो गया,
10.
ये 2 था ये. तो ये यहाँ से आपका देखो ये आ गया. ओके सर, now देखो this into sin x की पावर 5 and आपका देखो cos x की पावर 5. it is already out, so now this is minus 3 sin x cube और into आपका देखो sin square x की पावर 5.
This is the answer.
This is the answer.
Okay, x square we have taken common.
Exactly. Sure, please do it. This is, then we will go for the product, that is division rule, question rule, which is known as